Students, welcome to my class. Today we will see exercise 9.1 of chapter some applications of trigonometry of class 10. In my previous video I have completed 2 questions. Today we will see the third question. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? So here, in this question, here we have 2 situations. So the first one, in the first situation, the contractor plans to install 2 slides, one for children below the age of 5 years, and she wants to have the slide at a height of 1.5 meter from the ground at an angle of 30 degree. So first we will draw the first slide. This is 1.5 meter height from the ground, and here the angle is 30 degree. So angle is 30 degree from the ground. So here it is 30 degree, and so this is the slide. So AB is the slide. And in the second case, this is for the children at the age of 5 years, and the second one is for children of elder children, and she wants to have a steep slide. So here the height of the second slide is 3 meter from the ground. So it is of a height 3 meter from the ground, and the angle is 60 degrees. So this is a steep slide. So here we will have the angle 60 degrees. So we will name this as PQR. So here PR is the slide. So what we have to find is, in each case we have to find the length of the slide. So we will take the first case in triangle ABC. So here if you see, this side is actually side opposite to 90 degree, that is hypotenuse. So here AB and PR be the slides, length of the slides in the 2 cases. So for first case we have to find AB, and with respect to this 30 degree, this side is opposite side. So what is the ratio connecting the given side and the unknown side? So the ratio connecting opposite side and hypotenuse is sine ratio. So in triangle ABC we will take sine 30 degree. So sine 30 degree is equal to AC by AB. What is the value of sine 30 degree? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to AC is 1.5 by AB. So when you cross multiply, you will get AB is equal to 2 into 1.5, that is equal to 3 meters. So the length of the, what should be the length of the slide? So the length of the slide in the first case is 3 meters. Now we will go to the second case, that is in triangle PQR. Here the length of the slide is PR, and this side is again hypotenuse, and with respect to this angle 60 degree, this side is opposite side. So the same trigonometric ratio only for the second case, that is sine 60 degree is equal to opposite side, that is PQ by hypotenuse, that is PR. So what is the value of sine 60 degree? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is equal to PQ is 3 meters and PR we have to find. Now we will do cross multiplication here, that is root 3 PR is equal to 3 2s are 6. So PR is equal to 6 by root 3. When you cancel, now we will cross multiply here. So root 3 PR is equal to 3 into 2. So PR is equal to 3 into 2 by root 3. So here we can cancel, one root 3 will get cancelled. So the answer for PR is root 2 root 3 meter. So the length of the slide in the second case is 2 root 3 meter. So this is the length of the slide in second case and this is the length of the slide in first case. So both the case we got the length of the slide. Now next question. So question number 4, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So first we have to draw the diagram for this question. Converting the question into diagram, that is very important for such type of question. So first we will draw the diagram. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. So imagine this is our ground level and here we have a tower. So this is tower AB. We will denote this tower as AB and the angle of elevation from a point on the ground. So here we will take a point. C is a point on the ground. From this point we are observing the top of the tower. So the angle of elevation is given as 30 degree. So this angle is given as 30 degree and this point is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. So foot of the tower is this portion. So this is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. So this BC distance is given as 30 meter. Then we have to find the height of the tower, that is AB we have to find here. So first we will write what is AB. So let AB be the height of the tower. Let AB be the height of the tower. Now you see here we have to find the AB length, this height AB we have to find. This side BC is given. So you consider this right angled triangle ABC. With respect to this angle 30 degree, this side is opposite side and the side which is given is the adjacent side. So what is the relation, what is the ratio connecting opposite side and adjacent side? Tan ratio. Yes, so here we will use tan ratio, trigonometric ratio. So in triangle ABC, tan 30 degree is equal to, so tan 30 degree is opposite side is AB by adjacent side, that is BC. So what is the value of tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to AB we have to find and BC is 30 meter. Now we will do cross multiplication, that is root 3 AB is equal to 30. So AB is equal to 30 by root 3. So here we will simplify. So by multiplying by root 3, rationalize, we will rationalize here by multiplying by root 3 both numerator and denominator. So 30 root 3 by 3. So here we will cancel this. So the answer is 10 root 3 meters. So height of the tower. So our question is height of the tower. So height of the tower is equal to 10 root 3 meters. So this is how you have to do. So the question, this is very easy only, but you have to understand, you should know how to convert the question into diagram and the correct trigonometric ratio you have to identify. Now the next question. So question number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. So the question is, a kite, so this is the ground level, a kite, here we have a kite. So the kite is at a height of 60 meter from the ground and a string is attached to the kite, is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. So I'll denote this as AB and this point is the C on the ground where the string is tied. and this inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degrees. So this angle is given as 60 degree. Then we have to find the length of the string. Length of the string means here AC is our string. So we have to find the AC length. Okay. So let AC be the length of the string. So now you see here in this right angled triangle we have AB side with respect to 60 degree. This side is opposite side and this is hypotenuse. So what is the ratio connecting opposite side and hypotenuse? Sine ratio. Okay. So we will use sine ratio here. So in triangle ABC, sine 60 degree is equal to opposite side, that is AB by hypotenuse is AC. So AB by AC. What is the value of sine 60? That is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is equal to AB value is 60. So 60 by AC. Now we will do cross multiplication. So root 3 AC is equal to 2 into 60. So AC is equal to 2 into 60 by root 3. So now here we will rationalize and it will get cancelled here. So 2 into 60 into root 3 by 3. So here we can cancel this. 2, so 2 into 20, that is 40 root 3 meter. So we got the length, AC value we got. Actually AC is the length of the string. So the length of the string is 40 root 3 meters. So today we have completed 3 questions and the remaining questions we will see in my next video. If you like my channel, you can share and subscribe. Your subscription my motivation. Thank you students.